Welcome to Topic 1.2, Spotting a Business Opportunity. This is the foundation of GCSE Business. Successful entrepreneurs don't just guess what to sell, they systematically identify customer needs, conduct market research, and find gaps in the market before their competitors. In this interactive video, we'll break down the key concepts, work through exam-style questions, and highlight common pitfalls so you can master this topic and boost your exam performance. Let's map out the core concepts. At the center is the customer need. Every successful business starts by fulfilling a need. To uncover those needs, entrepreneurs use market research. Primary research collects first-hand data, while secondary research uses existing data. Once you understand customer needs, you can identify a gap in the market, an area where those needs are not being met. Finally, market segmentation helps you target specific groups of customers more effectively. Turning to our study notes, here are the key terms you need to know. Customer needs include price, quality, choice, convenience, and customer service. Examiners look for you to apply these to a scenario. Primary research means gathering original data, like surveys, while secondary research uses existing sources like competitor websites. Market segmentation lets businesses target specific groups, and a gap in the market is where customer needs are not currently being satisfied. Remember, always link market research to reducing the risk of failure. Here's the typical process an entrepreneur follows. First, they identify potential customer needs, maybe they notice a problem themselves. Next, they conduct primary research, like surveys, to check if others share that need. Then they use secondary research to see what competitors offer and identify trends. After analyzing the data, they spot a gap, the customer need not being met. Finally, they segment the market to target the most promising customer group. This systematic approach reduces the risk of launching a product nobody wants. Let's work through a 6-mark question. The scenario is a busy town center. Step 1. Identify customer needs. Convenience is key, plus quality and service. Step 2. Conduct primary research, like a short survey of commuters. Step 3. Secondary research. Look at existing coffee shops' menus and online reviews. The conclusion: if all competitors are either slow or low quality, there's a gap for a premium, fast coffee shop. In your answer, always link each research method to how it reduces risk. Watch out for these common pitfalls. First, students often mix up primary and secondary research. Remember, primary is original data you collect, secondary is using someone else's data. Second, always apply customer needs to the scenario, don't just list them. Third, the purpose of market research is to reduce risk, mention that in your answers. Finally, be specific. Instead of saying there is a need for better quality, say the gap is for premium, long-lasting products at a competitive price. To recap, spotting a business opportunity begins with customer needs, price, quality, choice, convenience, and service. Entrepreneurs use primary and secondary research to understand those needs and reduce risk. Market segmentation allows targeted marketing, and a gap in the market is where unmet needs exist. For your exams, always apply these concepts to the scenario given, and remember that the whole process aims to lower the chance of business failure. Good luck with your revision.